Shake it out or walk it out. Walk it out.
Watch me act stupid. Down, down, this gonna go down, down. This freaking vibes is so nice. Gonna drink.
What's up, my peeps? Welcome back to my channel. I really appreciate you guys tuning in on a daily basis, following me on my journey to gain back my six-pack, and I think it's coming on. I can feel it. Yeah. As always, I appreciate you guys giving this video a thumbs up. At the end of the video, leave a comment. If you haven't subscribed, subscribe, and most importantly, share the video. That's how you guys can help me grow this channel. So today we're switching it up a little bit again. We're just doing the standing workouts today. Let's just warm up. Alright, let's get into it. Alright, this one is a little bit difficult. So, hands behind your head, like this, and legs out. Legs out, back, legs out. Try to have your leg go as close to your elbow as possible. Now you're gonna lift your leg forward. Yeah. This one is the killer. I think I remember it. Yeah, got it. Ah. All right, again. Yep.
You are the best in that West Malone. You crazy lost, you are hear me. You want to know millionaire, millionaire man, millionaire, millionaire.
Got it. Switch sides. Getting rid of this in 24 days. So this is the one you can use your weight or your goddamn pots or just nothing. Switch sides.
No shoes, no jeans, we did never have. Now, me dip on the road to riches, them say hard work pay off, so we never stop.
Whew. Work it out a little bit. Get ready. Hands apart. Like a bird. And fly. Can feel it right here. Alright, my peeps. It's good to switch it up daily, you know? And sometimes it's good to stick to one particular routine. Do it however you want to. Yeah. So as usual, I want to thank you guys for watching. Like and subscribe if you haven't, and also like you to share the video. Until tomorrow, be safe.
Watch me act stupid. So, down, this gonna go down, down. This freaking vibes is so nice.